Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Take a guess at what the driver was doing behind this dashcam driver.
A bearded man with short black hair who climbed out of the minivan. He appeared to be in his 30s, and Court thought there was something slightly familiar about him. Slowly, he held the camera out for Hightower. Boss? Zach noted the tone of his subordinate. Way one, Rooster. Answer. And Zach spent 10 seconds or so checking him out. The rain...
I don't think I would ever try to cut off a truck that's like 10,000 pounds. It doesn't even look like this driver was distracted here.
He took note of a bearded man with short black hair who climbed out of the minivan. He appeared to be in his 30s, and Court thought there was something slightly familiar about him. Slowly, he held the camera out for Hightower. Boss? Zach noted the tone of his subordinate. Way one, Rooster. Zach took the camera and handed the phone off to Court to hold. Court said, the red minibus just in front of it. One of the guys who got out. White shirt. No weapon visible. What about him? Zach said as he looked for the person Court indicated. Court did not answer, and Zach spent 10 seconds or so checking him out. The rain picked up a little more.
Okay, there is no way. Shit. Imagine getting hit by that bus.
This is really fucking happening. Are you serious?
And we'll see you at home.
Okay. Oh my god.
Now this is dumb. Don't you hate it when drivers just stop instead of maybe slowing down? Brave driver here. There are several idiots in this clip. Wow, literally in the wrong lane. Or wait, no, literally the wrong side of the road, just waiting. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.